Spotlight search. Spotlight search allows you to search through your entire iPad in one place. From your home screen, simply swipe to the left as far as you can. Then, tap the search bar at the top of your screen. Search results will form based on what you enter from any relevant app in your iPhone, like Contacts, Mail, and web-based results. Here, you can see an example of searching for a specific contact. In the results are the contact itself and recent messages from that contact. To view the contact's full info, just tap on the contact. Here, we can see an example of searching for a specific app. Just tap on the search bar and type in your desired search. Spotlight search also shows you your most frequently used contacts and apps, nearby shops and restaurants, and today's news. Note that you can access a quick version of Spotlight search by swiping down on the middle of your screen. Just tap the Home button to get back to the home screen.